Hello my fashion lovers, welcome again to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to cut a 720-degree flare. 720-degree flare. When you talk about 720-degree flare, it's just cutting 360-degree flare twice and you join it together, and that will give you 720-degree flare. And I'll be showing you how to cut the 360-degree flare, and when you join it together, that will give you 720-degree flare. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Please like, share my videos. We are starting with the calculation. We are going to start with the calculation on how to get the 720-degree flare, and I'll be giving you the procedures to follow to get your 720-degree flare. Now we are starting off with the blouse length. The blouse length you are working with is 26. That is the length of the blouse. And the half length we are working with is 17 inches. So to know the amount of flare you're going to cut, you're going to take away 26. 26 minus 17, that will give you 9. So for the flare we are going to cut is 9 inches plus 2 inches sewing allowance, that is will give us 11. That is for the length. The length of the flare we're going to cut is 11 inches. And when we talk about the waist circumference, to get the waist circumference for the 720-degree flare, that is the width we are going to cut. The waist I'm working with is waist 40. Waist 40. Waist 40, that is what we are going to work with. Waist 40. And you're going to add your 2 inches zipper allowance. 2 inches zipper allowance, making it 42. So for the waist we are working with is 42. For the waist circumference is 42. And now we're going to divide this 42 by 2, because we are cutting 2. We are cutting 2 flare to make it 720. And what I have is 21. So you're going to divide this 21 by 6.28. And when you divide by 6.28, it will give us 3.3. So we're going to cut 2 of this. 2 of this. The length we are working with is 11, like I calculated earlier. And the waist circumference we are going to cut is going to be 3.3. And we're going to cut 2 of it to give us 720. Please, if you have any question in getting this explanation, please ask in the comment section. If you have any question, ask in the comment section, or you can go back to the explanation and get the explanation very well. So the waist circumference we are using is 3.3, and the length of the flare we are cutting is 11. Now I'm going to show you how to fold your fabric to get the length and the waist circumference. You are going to fold it. You're going to fold it, and then you fold it again. You're going to fold it and you fold it again. That is, you're folding it into 4. You're folding it into 4. And now we're going to get the waist circumference. We're going to get the waist circumference and the length. See how I'm folding it? Just fold it, and then fold it again. You have the two folded edges. You have the two folded edges facing you. Fold it into two, and you fold it again into four. Now we're going to get the waist circumference, which is 3.3. The waist circumference. You take it round to get the waist circumference. You take it round, mark it round it, and you connect. That is the waist circumference. And now to get the length you are working with is length 11. Now you are still going to take it round, the same thing you did on the waist. That is the same thing you're going to do to get the length. You take it round. And you connect the lines. And now you're going to cut. And this is the first flare. I told you are going to cut it twice to get the 720, and when you join it together, what you have is 720-degree flare. And this is one of it. This is one of it. And you're going to cut the exact same thing. Going to cut the exact thing. You're going to use the exact measurement for the second one. You go ahead and cut it. The exact measurement you use for the first one, two of them, they are going to be the same, and you just go ahead and join it together. Just open it up on one side. Use your scissors, open it up on one side, and you're going to join the two together to get your 720-degree flare. You can go ahead and add your hairstay, your lining, and your horsehair braid, but this client doesn't want anything to be added to her own. You can go ahead and add the hairstay if you want it to have weight, but for this I'm just going to join it together to the waist, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. And that is the 720-degree flare. You can go ahead and add your hairstay and the lining, and also add your horsehair braid. That is the crinoline. You can add your crinoline if you want to add more structure to it. You go ahead and add all those things, but here I didn't add any of that. If you have enjoyed this video, please like my video, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you very much.